how you can fix Snapchat keeps me logging out error. So that's my Snapchat account with which I'm facing this error continuously, that whenever I start using this account and whenever I try to access the memories or share snaps with my friends, Snapchat keeps me logging out of it. So whenever I try to make any changes to the settings section, let's say I'm going to change the email address. So as soon as I try updating my information, or if I try to send snaps using Snapchat account, so as you can see, I have been logged out of Snapchat. Alright, so whenever I'm trying to use my Snapchat account, whenever I try to log back in, I automatically get logged out of my Snapchat account. So I have realized that this error happens whenever you are logged in on two devices using the same Snapchat account. So Snapchat doesn't let you use two devices to log into the same account. Alright, you can only use one device for a single Snapchat account. So it means that you are also logged in on any other device, and that is the reason you are not able to use this particular device for your Snapchat account. So Snapchat only lets you log into a single device at a particular time. If you want to use any other device, you just have to log out of that device and then you can log into any other device that you want. So that's the reason Snapchat keeps you logging out. So you need to check where else you are logged in, and then you have to log out of Snapchat from that device, and then you can try to log in again. So that's how you can easily fix this error.